Hawaiian Nights is brought to you by KFC Hawaii, a family favorite throughout Hawaii. JR's Music Shops, Hawaii's island music chain serving Oahu, Maui, Kauai, and the Big Island with 12 convenient locations. Coors Light, the silver bullet. It's the right beer now. And Robert's Overnighters, offering heirloom car packages from $99.50 per person. More choices, more fun.
Welcome to Hot Hawaiian Nights with Butch Helamano and the Players of Instruments.
On your mind. Hey, hey, hey. Well, rider, you got the one thing on your mind. You get up within the morning. You shake the sand from your feet. Hey, 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 hey. You're dreaming about blue water. You're tossing, turning while you sleep. I said you're tossing and you're turning. Hey! Merikako! Well, rider, you got a one thing on your mind. Well, rider, you got a one thing on your mind. One thing on your mind now. Not through the day, well, and not through the night. Hey, 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 waxing up your gun now. You headed for that macaw, right? Right! Well, rider, one thing on your mind. Hey, 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 well, you got a one thing well on your mind. Sirens started wailing and civil defense was clearing the road. Hey, 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 the surfers on the beach now look back and they saw the wave rider go. Hey, Merikako. Well, rider, you got the one thing on your mind. Well, hey, hey, rider, well, one thing on your mind. So kiss your daddy, kiss your mommy. You won't be around if you catch it soon. Right through the harbor, but it pitched the left, but I'm past Makaha. He walked up on the beach, kicked off his other leash, caught the bus all the one thing on your mind. Hey, hey, hey. One thing on your mind. Watch that wave now, brother.
away on Hawaii's original overnighter, a Roberts overnighter from only $99.50 per person for air, room, and car. Family packages and group rates also available. Fly Aloha, drive a rental car, Maui, Oahu, Kauai, the Big Island from just $99.50. Pick a day, pick an island.
Pick the best. Roberts overnighter. We know the way best. We know the way best. The legend of the Colonel's rotisserie gold is the talk of Lake Edna. You should hear what they're saying about the deep marination. The slow roasting. That special blend of herbs and spices. And the golden brown color. But 5-year-old Allie put it best when she said, the Colonel's rotisserie gold in quarters, halves, and wholes. At KFC, we do chicken right.
It's a silver time. It's a silver place. It's a silver setting and a silver face. Sway it far, our very best friend. So silver bullet through. They never end. In a silver time. Good light. In a silver place. The right thing now. Silver memory.
Sunday at 7, 6 Central. For outrageous comedy, turn on Townsend Television with special musical guest Taylor Dane.
Second.
Then Martin's getting all his friends in shape.
This is me and you, brother.
Even if it kills them.
He's out of control.
Twin!
On an all-new Martin. And is Sinclair's new job for the birds?
I'm working at the Turkey Burger Hut. Hey, has anyone asked you why you crossed the road today?
Living Single. Catch Fox's Sunday night comedy party starting at 7, 6 Central.
Whip it on me, B-A-B-Y, baby. Out of the fire. Cool, rock it to me. Out of the fire. Cool, rock it to me. Out of the fire, 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 fire. Hey, don't you know? Rock it to me, baby. Rock it to me. You're not talking about little girl. Rock it to me. When the hot sun blazes and brings up your foot. Not a breeze is blowing, not a single knot. Tell them why. Oh, baby, give me. Hey, out of the fire. Rock it to me. Whip it on me, baby. Rock it to me. Cool, rock it to me. Factories now they're dumping where the rivers flow, you know.
The fishing ain't no place to go.
Factories keep dumping where the rivers flow.
The fishing ain't no place to go.
So baby, give me cool, rock it to me. Whip it on me, baby. Rock it to me. Cool, rock it to me. You're my mother girl. Rock it to me. Say that night and focus on destiny. They say the meek will inherit the land. Cool, rock it to me. Rock it to I can't stop you. I just can't stop you, baby, keep you from running away. What will I do? Now, baby, what will I do without you? You never, ever, ever, ever listen to a word I say. Talk to me now. Crying over you. You got me crying in the morning light. Crying over you. You got me crying in the broad daylight. Crying over you. You got me crying all through the night. Crying over you. Yes, ain't that a shame? Well, I miss the way you kiss me, the twinkle in your eye. Well, I'm struggling, I tell you, for survival, baby. Feels like I'm about to die, because your footsteps I don't hear no more. You're knocking on my door. I'm staring in the ceiling, since you grew them little wings that said you fly away. Crying over you. Crying, baby, all through the night. Crying over you. Sometimes in the midnight hour. Crying over you. Even, baby, when I'm in the shower. Crying over you. Good God Almighty. I'm sorry, girl, for what I said. Well, I'm a tossing, I tell you, and I'm turning now, baby, in my lonely bed, because my coffee pot is boiling. I got a cold baby dinner sitting in a tray, staring into the lonely ceiling. Let me tell you, since you blew them little wings, baby, hey. Crying over you. Crying over you. Telephone looks like my girl's calling me, watch it now. I'm sorry for what I said. Well, I'm a tossing, I tell you, and I'm turning now, baby, in my lonely bed. My coffee pot is boiling. I got a cold baby sitting in a one tray over there. I'm gonna tell you wow. Hey, crying over you. You got me crying in the morning light. Crying over you. You got me crying in the broad daylight. Crying over you. Yeah. You got me crying in the morning time. Crying over you. I think somebody knocking on my door. Let's see. Hey.
That's diggity doozy. Make a fast buck off hit music and hot pizza with fun money from Domino's Pizza and JR's Music Shop. Buy a pizza and get a buck to buy some music. Birds of Pizza. Buy some music and get a buck to buy some pizza. You'll enjoy yourself because it's fun money. Just add them up with big savings on fresh hot pizza and these tasty hits. Marvelettes, Mary Wells, and Marguerite, Motown Double Shots, or Melissa Etheridge. Fun money. It's free with your next purchase from Domino's Pizza or JR's Music Shop.
Getting to your flight can be an epic struggle. Unless you're flying Aloha Airlines, the only airline that offers drive-through check-in, where they take your ticket, check your bags, and then check you in, all on the 4th floor of Inter Island Park. So from now on, you'll be sure to leave on a good note.
The new home of Hawaii's music is KINE, Hawaiian Kind 105. KINE, the radio station playing Hawaii's favorite music at 105.1 FM. E ho'olohe ana mai. Listen to the music of Hawaii. KINE, Hawaiian Kind.
Longtime nemesis Long Beach State comes into Plum Gym with a 7-match win streak over Hawaii. Can the Wahine extinguish the past and ignite the future against the Gauchos? Find out tonight at 8.
I'll be there! I'll be there!
Wahine Volleyball on Fox 13. See you there.
He's a lover, a fighter, a father, and a friend. He's Coach.
Monday at 6:30 on Hawaii's very own Fox 13.